This is just a suggestion for a healthy breakfast. It may not look that great, but broccoli and leftover brown rice in with 2 whole eggs and an egg white. And the other yolk, I could have left it in there, but when I'm done with this, I fry it and give it to my dog. So I have the broccoli in there with a little butter and olive oil on the lowest flame for about 10 minutes, just to soften it up. Now I'm going to raise the flame, pardon me, and add, I'm not giving any measurements on this recipe. There's the broccoli, and now it goes in the brown rice and eggs. You may think this is crazy, but you know what? You want to have healthy food, and sometimes you got to figure ways to eat it, and you want it together. And then this is going to be a funny looking omelet. And 2 pieces of provolone cheese. This is going to be a very tasty omelet. It may not look pretty, but it's going to taste good. And then put the lid on it. It's on a moderate flame. You could put salt on there if you wish, but for me, the cheese has salt in it. That's enough. And I'll put some pepper, because I like pepper, and black pepper is good for you. Cayenne pepper would be healthier. And how's this going to wind up looking? That's what important. Take my plate. Not much to do with this. I could fold it. Let me attempt to do that. Let's see how we're doing here. Oh, that's pretty damn good. Fold this over. Fold this over. Yes, we're having a lovely time over this. I'll get a good looking omelet after all. Another minute. So like I said, it may be a weird recipe for an omelet, but brown rice is healthy, broccoli is healthy, and eggs are good for you. So what else you need? And a little cheese. And that's all I'm cooking it. Now we'll tip it on the plate and see how. Well, that's not bad. So, I'm going to enjoy my breakfast. And if you didn't know what to do with like leftover broccoli and brown rice, there's an idea.